30 H3 MPP said as a electoral commission no or revise register annually 2021 no say ye revise near limited registration one ye 2022 one ye and you do 2023 now if you look at the statistics you have a backlog of no less than 3 million eligible voters also come you do omudiako register so as say omudini so now in 2020 mu ye limited registration am here no mu open polling stations in kwana say registration centers 1500 the electoral commission ya why so brache no 1500 stations and mu open here na ene mu koya ya 2023 arguably all a larger number na musimu open centers no only 265 Kodeo CDD Imani Ghana why civil society why nan ka ho asem me no was talking about IPAC ewo ho no IPAC buy ansana Jimensa had been a very close friend of IPAC no criticize Afarijan and Charlotte say obetake over why are so brachia to the extent say or say decision of IPAC in there and you're binding to one for IPAC near Juma. How do you expect us say young kofa your expertise and for Mumbra IPAC and match dream now Charlotte Jean Mensa unquano what dream no sabe what dream no to what extent what dream by papa chain a dom adream no at wagu you can't some na what one no they are two das beam so NDC evaluate nyansa ne adream we will never be part of a programmer and as a decision making fire dream nyajuma nanu IPAC for equation NDC yankobi but parties ekwe ni nyina including MPP say adwea omuso so aye no enya no na ma me ne di adwuma no entimi nua se asemi abai o your friends asasi what does it say why ye unua mo ne ade mo ye ntibi a ye ka se mo ye ntobo a obetumi nya bi akọ but me to no kofi esise that is why I'm talking enti mesre Ghana for nyina MPP for bi wo ha omso ye equally affected obi be tware nsuo okofa guarantors ne ade these are practical challenges enu to yesre say ye de ye say be yemfa atuo say dem di kan no ya court say court no de mra be yadwuma de we feel say will be vindicated kofi wo hwe the your friends judiciary it appears say ya na bim kaso NDC for ese ye anti judiciary ese friends a court for no ese ye tan wo no but kofi the track record precedents a judge for ni bi and as a judiciary no asseti any niema owura kufu ado bae oye any Ghana Bar Association now one more crass hypocrisy our my exhibit and a Joma Makasa the way he did. Kofi MPP by no my said they will politicize every independent state institution. She Papa ya no your mo your friend is a regional communications team member, regional IT, directorate for the MPP and even national IT directorate for the NPP. Also Nyane Amakofan so ongotra electoral commission. Here boss my sorry, his posturing, we know him. MPP ni or MPP ni boss my sorry. But there's nothing wrong with Kofuti Autuaba. But what we expect of you is ube impartial. What they say? Said them rano shall now they heard. Makofi Ebra unim Gabriel Puamai.
Yeah.
Gabriel Puamai.
The justice of
Supreme Court. Unim Justice Apo. Ebra NDC time. I think these are the only two people John Mahama appointed to the Supreme Court. The hypocritical Ghana Bar Association. I repeat, the hypocritical Ghana Bar Association. They went to court to challenge the appointment of Gabriel Puamai, the venerable justice, friends, Justice Apo, to the Supreme Court, the apex court of the land. Echo court to say, what would you say? no they are inclined political you the Gabriel Pramade or is it CPP or PNC PNC ni on the political inclinations known Gabriel Pramade case no we a close associate of the then PNDC regime and Ghana Bar Association yi court to challenge the appointment of these two venerable justices of the Supreme Court and they didn't succeed. Well, Ura Boafuya, GBA president.
Yeah.
In 2004, there's this story by the Ghanaian Chronicle, published on July 1, 2004. Was it Mr. Yao? I think they published here near Mr. Yao, a champion Boafu. No, sorry, R. Freku on a published story. Was it Mr. Yao, a champion Boafu, a Kumasi-based legal practitioner who filed his nomination to contest the newly created Kwadasu constituency seat, has opted out of the race. He has since June 28, 2004, notified the local chairman of the Kwadasu constituency and the Ashanti regional chairman of the party of his decision. Now, it is this same man who is now the GBA president. So, is it because Boafu AMPP Ninti and a John Mama Kasaya or Lambasino Noana? Now look at what Urakufu your friends say on the platform of GBA. Because of the GBA, no, yes, seemingly an appendage, the protege of the MPP.
Hey.
Protege of the MPP. No.
But GBA and Ghana Bar Association, what you say? It's not only one people. You have NDC lawyers, part of the Ghana Bar. MPP lawyers, part of the Ghana Bar.
I'm talking about the leader of the GBA.
Oh, come on.
Kofi, I'm telling you exactly. President Omaseti and Niamo Maya, you cannot challenge them. What they say? Enra nano mama ora Akufo-Addo kwan to use your own platform. Say asema ora Akufo-Addo ora mama kai no. Woka asisu bia say Ghana for nto abantia John Mahama say wabekasa asem.
But what is said the woman penny for about out
Kofi, they intentionally gave him the platform.
Would they have read the speech and call Baba Manana?
Kofi, you know, everybody must look at the sensitive nature of, Adiana Moyen. And then the seeming political idea are creeping into GB and Niema. Say, who invite you to be on such a sensitive platform? As I said, caution say our platform is not meant for ABC. And Nanadu knowing him.
Are you aware that Nanadu is also a member of the GBA?
He's
a lawyer.
I doubt say Nanadu he's no more in active practice. He doesn't pay dues.
Once a lawyer, always.
No, he doesn't pay dues because the other time they said only active service. And I say assuming say Nanado Kran is a would dues and we active member of GBA. Kofi the GBA, if you look at one man Kolano Muko friends, Emmanuel the watcher government that you'll be a friend of pressure groups, ni interest groups near day. Kofi, if you look at the political development, the democratic development of Ghana, Kofi want to mean the contribution of the GBA in free. Now omo ye very vociferous, omo ye apolitical, omo making sure say Kofi omo be streamline omo contribution and I say omo criticism be streamlining the activities of the government of the day. But Kofi, if you should have elements like Boafu, omo ye MPP for now mo the mo platform ma owura Akufo-Addo say on your campaign say yan to abantia John Mama. Kofi John Mama, you didn't invite, we didn't create the same environment, the same platform for him. That's a Mama so kojina baby, no okasa. Mobeka say, hey.
Okay.
Hey, the GBF one are hypocritical.
Okay.
They are on record to have challenged the appointment of Gabriel Pramade, to challenge the appointment of Justice Apau. It is a Munyan people for then George be a Supreme Court. Now Montiase.
Thank you very much.
No, are they also not part of the were they also not once part of the bench?